Tools required: PU wheels, PU wheel 275 5M belts, 13 mm Y tool, 3 mm 3-in-1 hex wrench. Remove the Nylock nut on the truck axle with the Y tool wrench, and then take off the AT tire. Loosen the 2 screws on the belt guard using the 3-in-1 wrench, and remove the belt guard. When using the 3-in-1 wrench to remove screws, make sure to align it properly with the screw head, otherwise, the screw head can easily get damaged and stripped. Turn the pulley and 335 to 5M belt counterclockwise, and then remove them. Use the 3-in-1 wrench to loosen the 4 screws on the motor bracket to allow movement of the motor. There is a washer inside the motor screw if the washer is lost. Spare washers can be found in the spare screw box provided inside the skateboard's main box. Install the PU wheel 275 5M belt and place the PU wheel. There's a spacer within the PU wheel. During installation, use the hex wrench to align the wheel's bearings and the spacer on the horizontal line for ease of installation. Put the 275 to 5M belt on the motor. Hold the motor to feel the elasticity of the belt and tighten the motor by hand to the appropriate level. Ensure the belt is neither too loose nor too tight. Hold the motor and use a 3-in-1 hex wrench to secure the 3 outer screws to lock the position in place. Turn counterclockwise to remove the PU wheel and belt, and secure the inner side motor screws. Install the PU wheel and 275 5M belt again. Then turn clockwise to ensure that the belt is secured onto the motor. Secure the belt guard with a 3-in-1 hex wrench. Tighten the 10 Nylock nut on the truck axle. When tightening the wheels, please loosen the nut by a half turn after initially securing it, and ensure that the wheel can still rotate freely by hand. Remove the Nylock nut on the truck axle with the Y tool wrench, and then take off the tire. Install the PU wheel. Tighten the 10 Nylock nut on the truck axle. When tightening the wheels, please loosen the nut by a half turn after initially securing it, and ensure that the wheel can still rotate freely by hand. After the PU wheels are installed, wheel diameter and gear ratio should be changed in the remote setting. Long press the power button to turn on the remote. Pull and hold the brake roller, then short press the power button 5 times consecutively to enter the setting interface. Release the brake roller and short press the power button once. To adjust the wheel diameter, move the roller to adjust the value to 97 mm. Short press the power button to confirm the value. Pull the roller to adjust to DR. Short press the power button again, then move the roller to adjust the gear ratio value to 2.3. Short press the power button to confirm, then press the function button to return to the original operation interface. For standard 7-inch wheels configuration, no adjustment is required on the remote or Tuya Smart app, unless you have specific requirements. If changing to 6-inch wheels or PU wheels, please adjust wheel D and D, our motor ratio according to the parameters in the table below, by following the above steps. You have successfully adjusted the parameters for the PU wheels. Thank you for choosing OMW boards.